head? Find her? Good job. Good job. Yeah, where is she? Maggie. Maggie, come here. Come here. Say hi to your brother. Maggie, come here. You wanna see the baby? Baby? Hey, do you wanna see the baby? Look! It's a baby! There's a baby right here! It's your baby brother!
Maggie, blow him kisses. Blow your brother some kisses. Oh, that's nice. Can you sign baby?
You're fine.